Hey YouTube, it's Chris Burnett here, and thanks for checking out the A2C Python Academy YouTube channel. If you're looking for a place to grow your understanding of the Python programming language to learn for personal, school, career, or entrepreneurial growth, or just looking to get started, then you've come to the right place. It's no secret that Python is the easiest programming language to get started with, and it's a great language that can assist in marketing yourself online or in business. Python is undoubtedly considered a top programming language, and it's one of the most used languages by businesses and enterprises. At a young age of 30 years old, Python is still relevant, giving its ease of use, its vibrant community, and a plethora of applications. That's why I've created the A2C Python Academy to help the beginner, weekend project warrior, and the entrepreneurial level up and learn something new with Python that will benefit them in their journey to become a better developer. So I've been working in technology for about 18 years, from a technician to an engineer to an entrepreneur. I've worked in industries such as computer electronics and engineering, computer networking, and electrical wiring. Like with all career technology-driven people, getting burned out and stepping away from your career is normal. And that's exactly what happened to me. I spent the last 6 years enjoying a non-technical life, hiking, living the camper life, and just keeping my stress level down. But sometimes you need to walk away from a project or task to realize that you miss it. And helping others with the world of Python is how I'm jumping back on that project. From Python tutorials, lectures, live coding, and even learning how we can use Python for several different hardware applications are just some of what we will learn here at A2C Python Academy. So hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and you'll be at the front of the line to receive all the tips, tricks, programming tools, tutorials, and presentations of how easy it is to use Python to further your programming goals. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to meeting you in our next Python class session. Later.